Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's Workshop. I'm going to be showing you how to change a headlight bulb, so a dip beam headlight on a Ford Focus. You need a T30 Torx. Literally a wall headlamp. Should just wiggle out like that. It's out. So the bulb we're looking for is this one. Just take the cover off the back, and the bulb is in there. Just simply squeeze it and it should just pull out the connector. Next, the actual bulb, it's a weird one on these cars actually. It's just pushed in place like so. So we'll be putting a new one in. What you do is actually put the bulb into the holder first, and then on the sides it slides into place, like there's two sliding brackets on this and that side. Just simply push it. That's it until you hear it click. And as you can see, it's in place. Simply just put the cover back on. Tuck the light back into place. Click, and then the T30 Torx back there. And the job's done. Just make sure it works. Just put the key in.
Liverpool, Manchester, and the reason why they're
Yep, it's working out now. That's nice. Thank you very much for watching.